You're starving, the street food vendor is waving a delicious-looking sauté stick in front of you, but your wallet's playing hide-and-seek. You reach for your phone, thinking, Grabpay to the rescue. But then, a cold dread creeps in. You can't remember if you linked your actual card. So, the burning question is, can you actually use Grabpay without the physical card? Let's dive right in, because this is a question that pops up for a lot of us, especially when we're in a pinch or just trying to live that glorious, card-free life. Grabpay, for those who might be new, is a digital wallet within the Grab super app. It's designed for seamless transactions, from paying for rides and food deliveries to in-store purchases. It's all about convenience, right? But here's the thing, the core functionality of Grabpay hinges on having a funding source. Traditionally, this has meant linking a debit or credit card. When you add a card, you're essentially telling Grabpay, hey, when I tap to pay, pull the money from this account. This allows for instant, secure transactions. However, the world of digital payments is evolving, and Grab is no exception. They've introduced options that broaden the scope beyond just cards. One crucial element is the Grabpay wallet balance. Think of it as a digital piggy bank within the app. You can top up this balance using various methods, and this is where things get interesting. You can top up your Grabpay wallet via online banking transfers, select partner banks, or even through physical top-up points at participating stores. This means you can add funds to your Grabpay wallet without ever needing to physically swipe or tap a card at the point of purchase. Once your wallet has a balance, you can use it for all the Grabpay transactions you need. This is a game changer for several reasons. Firstly, it provides a solution for those who might not have a credit or debit card or prefer not to link them directly to their digital wallets. Secondly, it adds an extra layer of control over your spending, as you're only using the funds you've preloaded. Now, let's talk about the practical side. Imagine you've topped up your Grabpay wallet with $100. You can now use this balance to pay for your Grab rides, order that sauté stick, or even pay for groceries at a participating supermarket, all without needing to fumble for your card. You simply scan the QR code or tap your phone, and the amount is deducted from your wallet balance. But, and this is a crucial but, certain features might still require a linked card. For instance, some subscription services or specific promotions might require a card for verification or recurring payments. This is where the initial linking comes in handy. So, to answer the initial question definitively, yes, you can use Grabpay without physically tapping or swiping a card, provided you've topped up your Grabpay wallet. However, having a linked card can unlock additional features and ensure seamless transactions in all scenarios. The takeaway? Grabpay's flexibility is its strength. By offering both card-linked and wallet balance options, it caters to a wider audience, making digital payments more accessible. Understanding these nuances can help you maximize your Grabpay experience and avoid those awkward, wallet-less moments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.